a 67 Mustang. This is when they started making them so you can start putting some serious horsepower in them, because before, like the 64, 5, and 6 were, especially 68s were like, well, but 67 you started, in other words, the 4, 5, and 6 are basically a Falcon with a different body on it, and you really were limited to that 289 or maybe a 302. But they still went really good after, even right gears in and stuff. But it's amazing living in a car like this today, you know. Nobody wore seatbelts, no headrests or nothing. No lap belts or nothing. I mean, no shoulder harness. Automatics, probably C4 transmission. Nobody, you know, it's weird. It's so freaking wrapped up around safety today. It's like, I didn't see what the hell was so unsafe. You know, these cars are drum brakes and stuff. You went through a big puddle, you had to watch. You used to ride your brakes when you went through the puddle, try to keep your brakes together, because we keep the water from getting between the brake and the drum, you know, the shoe and the drum. You went through a big puddle. That's what I would do. I would put my foot down on the brake and you know, give it gas, just a little bit of brake to try to keep the brakes dry when you went through a big puddle. Else you'd lose all your brakes. You know, people driving cars like, no wait, talk about anti-lock brakes. They didn't even have disc brakes back then, man. The drum brakes stopped real good, but they got really wet, man. There was like nothing. I mean, literally nothing. And you got people weren't wearing seatbelts or nothing. I don't think there was that many, and there was in DUI laws and all other shit, and I don't think there was that many traffic deaths. People got more common sense, you know? So. To tell you the truth, if there was, I'll tell you later. Well, I'll tell you now, because you probably won't know what video it'll be on the next one. If this was a brand new invention today, and they were telling people you're going to put flammable liquid in your gas tank by yourself, and oh, we can't do that, people smoking, and maybe there's a spark and it'll blow, they wouldn't let you do it. You know that? They wouldn't let you do it. Let alone, they wouldn't even let you drive a car, let alone ride a motorcycle. It was a brand new invention today. You know that? It's a stupid government as they suck, man.